We made it to the trailhead with another 100 people, as usual. So always exciting. But what do you expect in the middle of summer in the UP? Once again, we're in the beautiful woods of the Great North. Big tall trees. Just loving it. Yeah, deep woods. Very tall trees. This is gorgeous back in here. Enjoying every bit of this. Walking back through these beautiful, gorgeous woods. Huge canopy spreads out wide open. Just really pretty back here. Looks like a river birch. Oh yeah, it's bent over. Oh, and there's the steps, Susie. Okay, there we're down these steps. Okay, now we're going to Miner's Rock, which looks, or castle, looks out over the Lake Superior. And once again, it's very people-y. Yep, very people-y. Oh, I wish I was 40 years younger. I would love to hike this trail. I think they said it's 40 miles from the top, but it is so gorgeous in here. This would be a wonderful, wonderful hike. I just love the ground cover up here in the shanty. Trouble with me is I get hiking like this, and then I know I have to turn around because Susie's back there waiting. I was kind of like, what's around the next curve? Maybe it'll open to a beautiful vista. Looks like a nice trail. Mosquito River and Chapel Beach. Funny how there'll be no wind in the woods and you get up to the beach and it's so windy. Got a family down here on the beach. The beach umbrella. People over there walking on the rocks. Lots of my favorite ferns. Okay, we came out here and we're gonna hike around Colwell Lake. You can see it over there. I'm sure we'll see more pictures. It's a 2-mile hike. And there's the sign, Colwell Lake. And we're the only car parked at the trailhead. So that's always a wonderful sign. Not like all the other places we went that were so people-y. They did say that someone sighted a bear out here. I can run faster than Sue. If there is a bear, I'll be safe. Real nice, huh? Yeah. So there's campsite 34. And it looks pretty cool. Yeah, you have to carry all your stuff back here. Wouldn't be a bad little campsite. That's where you put your food so the bear doesn't get it. And you've got this view of the lake while you're at your campsite. Can't beat that. Water's pretty clear. One boat here. Otherwise, we're all alone. That's nice. Trail goes right along the lake. Did you need to sit down? Good for bears. Perfect temperature. Look at this little plant. I've never seen that one. Yeah. Yeah. It's probably a swampy area back here. So I got back to the road. We're on the far side of the lake. A couple ladies back there were lost, looking for the campground. So we were able to give them instructions. Oh, cramped my leg.
That's what I'm thinking.
Well, that was a good little hike. And we were surprised to find quite a large campground on this side of the lake. And with really nice spacious spots, each one having beach access to the lake, but no electricity and nobody's running generators. Oh yeah? Okay, we're on the North Country Trail. I've been wanting to go on a little hike along this trail. We got a little bit of a hill up here, Susie. I'm telling you, it's 69 degrees. It's actually in the shade a little bit cool. I don't know if you could see it, but it's a little steep. Lots of roots.
Yeah, on the steps.
I think I saw one mosquito floating around. I thought it would just be a little hill, but I was wrong. It just gets too steep up there. Alright, we came back to this trail. It's another part of the North Country Trail, but it's up by Miner's Castle. And you don't have to climb so steep up. And it is just gorgeous. These woods are gorgeous, especially the ground cover. It's kind of almost looks like a maple leaf.
Ooh, something's burning.
Found a little place to come out, and it drops straight down to the water. I don't want to get any closer to the edge than this, because this dirt looks very unstable. Packed full of tourists. I really don't want to take one of those ships, I really do. Guess not. Boardwalk through the mud. Just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, this is always pretty. I love these little mossy areas. It's like a star moss. Oh, it's a group. Oh, campground back there. Group of cliffs. There's 2 giant trees, maybe 3, fell over. Those are giant roots. And here you can see the trees fell over. Quite a windstorm. Oh, and then another one there.
You used to watch something. What was it?